continuing with the Salesforce developer interview questions and answers series. So we're going to look into, I'm going to look into more serious and more, not serious, more difficult topics where the interviewer can trick you and ask you more in-depth questions, right? So this will be more from advanced level, intermediate. Maybe at the fresher level also they may ask you, but this will be for more experienced developer questions. So let's get started. Before that, I would like you to tell one thing that this is not a training tutorial. This is a Salesforce interview preparation tutorial series. Okay, if you want to do the training tutorial, it is there in the, you can see in the link, or in the when the it is there added to the playlist, or you can also see it at the end of the video. You'll get the links to my other training videos. So please keep in mind, this is for the interview purpose, and this is not for training purpose. This is for you to clear your interview and get your Salesforce job. So that is the focus here. We also I'm assuming that you know Salesforce and you're attending a Salesforce interview. Okay, so once again, if you want to do the training, you have to go to the other video which is there in the link, or at the end when the video ends you'll be seeing it as a next video. Okay, so I just wanted to add that. Having said that, let's continue. Now this session may be 2-3 videos, because there are a lot of topics that we are going to cover in this. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in this, we'll look at how to do debugging in Apex. So what is debugging? Programming debugging. So debugging is basically what you want to find out root cause of any programming errors that one may face in an application. These are mostly runtime errors. There are two types of errors: compile time and runtime. Runtime errors is what we can do debugging of. So how do you do that? Salesforce provides a debug log to help in debugging errors. Okay, debug log basically logs most of the operation that happens when users use Salesforce. So most of the operations that happen when you work are logged into the debug log. Even successful processes are also logged into the debug log. So what does the debug log contain?